Hello guys, what's up? I'm Tanim from Entertainment BTC. In my last video, I have showed how to run Kali Linux kernel on Windows, and today I will talk about Windows 10 network issues and some way how you can solve this. So why making late? Let's start. You may come to my video for solving your PUBG ISP problem. You know PUBG ISP problem is occurring for some days from today, and server reconnection issue is also a problem which is occurring in PUBG. And I hope you can resolve this through my video, and this is occurring now. So let's start the process. Just please type Windows and R together, and you see here is the command inetcpl.cpl. Okay, you need to go through that. Just click on enter. Here you see there's so many options, a bunch of options. You can go to connection settings, and here you see there is an option LAN settings. Okay, just go there and just make it sure that your proxy setting is disabled, and it is click on automatically detect settings. Okay, and no proxy server is using here. You must make sure it. Okay, then if all it's okay, then just click on OK. And if it's on use a proxy server for your LAN, if the tick mark is on this box, you need to disable it and give the tick on this box. Okay, then I have no problem here. So first step is done. Secondly, you need to copy some command prompt options, and command prompt options. Before that, I will go to control panel, and how you go to control.exe. Here you see there is a control panel options, and here is network and internet. Just go to the network and internet functions and click on view network status and task. Here you see I'm using Ethernet cables, and you can go to change adapter settings. Okay, then after that change adapter settings and click on Ethernet. If you are connected to the Ethernet, you will go to that, and if you are a Wi-Fi user, then you will select that. Okay, so I'm just clicking on Ethernet and right clicking on that and properties. Here you see there are some bunch of options, and here it's internet protocol version 4 TCP and /IPv port. If you double click on that, and here you see that there is some obtain an IP address automatically. Okay, you must click on these options: obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Okay, and if this is on your default and you want to you take a public DNS which is offered by Google, you can also click on use the following IP address and use the following DNS server address. You can do that, but I am not recommending this process, because if you do that, you need to Google every time. Okay, you need Google public DNS always. And here you see alternate configuration, and it will be the automatic private IP address. It is the must. And click on OK. Everything is okay here, so I don't need to do something here. And then here you see internet protocol version 6, and you need to configure it. Just double click on that, and here you see obtain an IPv6 address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. If you also want to change your IPv6 address, you can go to Komodo DNS server. You can you can change your DNS server from their service. Okay, but I am not also recommending this. And now some of the users of Windows checked on their form. Windows have a community forum where many users discuss about their problems, and some of the users showed that if they disable the internet protocol version 6, if they disable it, the PUBG runs well. Okay, so you can also disable this method, but I am not recommending it, because it's some program compatibility issues if you do this, and other functions on work. So I'm not recommending it. I'm just click on cancel, and we have checked all these things, and there are no problems, right? Okay. Now we need to go to control panel adapter reset. Okay, control panel adapter reset. So how you will do that, but I will show it after command prompt commands. Okay, so just click on the Windows and R together, hit Windows and R together and type CMD and Control Shift Enter and administrator privilege. You need to give the administrator privilege must, and here you see it's my Windows System 32 and we need to type ipconfig. As you see there, it's my all IPs wireless LAN adapter. I'm not connected to wireless, and I am connected on Ethernet adapter, and my Ethernet subnet mask and IPv4 address are all okay. But if you think your IP address which is given by your ISP not match with this one, you need to reset your Ethernet and reset all the IP config options. So how you'll do that? Just we need to bunch of commands here, and I will show all the commands there right now. Okay, here you see successfully reset the Windows catalog. Here it is, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, after restarting, your PC will go in the default value. Then we need some extra commands, right? netsh integer IP reset. Here you see everything is reset to that default protocol, and you need to restart the computer to complete these actions again. And then ipconfig / you need to release your IP. Okay, release. Here you see your no operation can be performed on because its media is disconnected, but Ethernet adapter is set on the default gateway. Here you see my net connection is unidentified now. That means I need to restart the process. Okay, I need to reset my PC to run the process again. Then I need to ipconfig / renew. We need to renew the ipconfig options, and it's connecting to that. Okay, it will take some time because here you see it's finished. Okay, then you see here is my Ethernet which is connected again. Then we need to do something extra more, and ipconfig, sorry, some typing mistake, ipconfig / flash DNS. You need to flash your DNS server, and you see Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, it all of the command prompt options. And now if you need to restart your PC now, and suppose I have restarted my PC and my problems are resolved, suppose if your problem don't resolve, what you will do then? And this time I will show you, if your problem is not resolved after restart, you will follow these steps more. So what will be the next step of us? And it will be the also command prompt issues. Just go to CMD, Control Shift Enter, and administrator privilege. We need to disable our firewall service from here. How you do this? Just type in netsh ADB firewall, set all profiles, state off. Here you see, oh sorry, I have made a mistake, typing mistake. I need to click on O-double-F. Okay, just type that, and it's okay. Your firewall state is off now. Now check your, here you see that my Windows Defender is showing it. Here you see firewall and network protection is off here. And now check your PUBG if it's running smoothly. You have problem on your firewall defender, so you need to fix that problem. And if your PUBG not starting and it stands in the same situation, you need to enable the firewall again. So how you will do that? Just copy from the state and just add something more on. As you see, my firewall is in the default state and it's on. Okay, now another process you need to do is dev mgmt.msc. I mean device manager dev mgt.msc. Here you see, this is my device manager software, and here you see some network adapters option and network adapter. Under network adapter options there are bunch of some things and functions. Here you see, this is my Realtek PCI GV family controller. Here it is my default Ethernet adapter, and just click on properties, and here you see this device is working properly. And you can also update a driver from this options as automatically for updated drivers, or you can go to online and download your driver from there and also do this. And if this works, then your problem will be resolved. And if the problem not resolved this time, then I have only one way. Okay, here you see, it's downloading my drivers. That means I have an updated driver for it. Okay, and it is our last option. And what's the last option is, just go to settings, and under network option, network and internet, just go there. And here you see, my network is not connected, and it's connecting again because I need to restart my PC, you know. Just here you see network and network reset. Okay, here you see network reset. Just go under that and click on reset now. If you just click on reset now, the network settings all will be go by the default, and everything will be go under revolution. Okay, so that's all for today. If your problem resolved, just like our video and subscribe on my channel. And if the problem is not resolved, please inform me. I will do my best to solve your problem. So stay happy, stay cool, stay with Entertainment BTC.